My name is Öner. I brought 9 young people from Turkey to here for a youth exchange. And they are together with German youth to create an awareness about digitalization using an alternative method called Theater of the Oppressed. This is all small print. I think what matters is that people are afraid of what they don't know. When they get to know each other, when they see each other, when they talk and interact with each other in a real world, without a screen, their perceptions are often changed, and how they see other people changes. So I think that's quite a beneficial way of exchange, way of workshop for the young people.
Burada mı ses çıkartıyoruz?
Yok hayır bu diyor. Peki mesela sen çok mutluydun ya, aynen. O mutluluğu çok ver mesela, sen de tedirginlik ver.
Mach das do it from the beginning. We are going to work on details, okay?
Selam mestem benim şap kesen ber burunca benim şap Selam mestem benim şap kesen ber
Gott, schütze uns.
Tanrım, bana ve aileme sağlık ver.
Allah'ım, verdiklerin için teşekkürler.
Gott, schick uns bitte Licht.
Heute Abend treffe ich meine Freundin. Wir gehen gemeinsam essen.
Ama Game of Thrones'un yeni
Das
sezonu
ist
kazandı
eine
belli
schöne
oldu.
Vollmond.
Mutfakta enflasyon %30.
Black Mirror.
Ich bin ein Kapitalist. Yo, 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 yo! Und die Zeit ist fast vorbei.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Alexa, please tell me the news from today.
Krieg in Syrien. Notre Dame brennt. Internierungslager in China. Afrika unter Wasser. Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft in der Hand von 4 Familien.
working on this project for days, we were highly experienced about what mimics we will do or what movement we will focus on. So I wasn't that much stressful, and because it has to be perfect, I highly focused on what I will do. And I myself can easily tell you that I'm highly satisfied from what we have accomplished. You know?
Yeah. you.